Hello friends, scientists with NASA's Lucy mission continue to analyze data collected during the spacecraft April 20 encounter with the main belt asteroid Donald Johnson. The images below were taken by spacecraft's L-LORRI imager a few minutes before its closest approach. This successful dress rehearsal gives the team high confidence that both the spacecraft and the team are well prepared for the main event, the upcoming encounter with the Jupiter's Trojan asteroids. The spacecraft itself is now in a relatively quiet cruise period as it continues traveling through the main belt asteroid. Lucy is heading away from the Sun at more than 30,000 miles per hour, and the team will keep monitoring the spacecraft as it moves toward the cooler and the dimmer outer solar system. Once Lucy reaches the Trojan asteroids, it will conduct 4 encounters, observing at least 6 asteroids in less than 15 months. The first encounter will be with the asteroid Eurybates in August 2027. Asteroid Donald Johnson boxed in white, moving amongst background stars as seen by Lucy from 45 million miles away. These alternating images taken on 20th February and 22nd February was released on February 21st, 2025. Just 53 days before encounter, to the bottom right you can see a different asteroid passing through the field of view. The asteroid Donald Johnson as seen by Lucy Long Range Reconnaissance Imager. This is one of the most detailed images returned by NASA's Lucy spacecraft during its flyby. This image was taken at 5:51 p.m. EDT, April 20, 2025, near closest approach from a range of approximately 660 miles or 1,100 km. The spacecraft's closest approach distance was 600 miles. What the image shows was taken approximately 40 seconds beforehand. The image has been sharpened and processed to enhance the contrast. Credits: NASA, Goddard, SWRI, Johnson Hopkins, APL, NOIRL Lab.